to see you again.
Yes. Oh, Kamala, you look so beautiful and well rested. I know that campaigning took a toll on you. Like myself, it was a battle with so many oppositions. One being a woman, and the other an intelligent, educated African-American woman. Then you got those ignorant folks who want to classify you the way they want to, specifically the orange man. I don't even want to say his name. Girl, I'm still trying to figure out what has happened that this nation would allow a person who has indictments pending run for president. When our own fellow man applies for a job and he checks off that he is a convicted felon, employers won't even hire them. Please help me understand that.
Miss Shirley, you are so correct. I feel great physically and mentally, but I worry about our country. I wanted to be the voice like you to protect women and their rights. We don't have a leader that will advocate for social injustice. He will continue to create it. I remember you fought to legalize abortions too. You have paved the way for me and so many other women who are in politics today. And I just want to pause and say thank you so very much for your courage and your boldness and your stick-to-itiveness. It is a crime shame what he has done since getting into office. For the defendants of the January 6th riot on the Capitol, he issued a handful of communications and a blanket pardon that effectively freed all the rioters and erased the work of the largest criminal investigation in U.S. history. What a shame.
What a shame. It's like a slap in the face.
Yes.
Slap in the face.
Absolutely.
Kamala, on a positive note,
Yes.
I know it had to be an honor to preside over the unprecedented vote to confirm the first Black woman, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, to the Supreme Court. You and President Biden together achieved historic representation of women and people of color among nominees at all levels of the federal government. That makes my heart smile with pride. Even though you are no longer in office, continue to fight. You are not alone. There are others, and together you all can break down these barriers.
Yes. I agree. Thank you so much, Miss Shirley. That means a lot coming from you. Miss Shirley, you are my shero.
Yes, ma'am.
Being the first Black woman elected to Congress and the first Black candidate to see a major party nomination for president, you remind me of one of the many sayings my mother had. Don't you let anybody tell you who you are. You tell them who you are.
Yes.
That was your platform.
Yes, ma'am.
Unbought, unbossed, and I stand, as so many of us do, on your shoulders, Miss Shirley. You showed up, you stood up, and spoke up. And this will always be remembered, my friend.
Oh, man. Kamala, do not let your light stop shining. You are and have always been for the people. You are still a trailblazer, and remember your mother's advice. You may be the first to do many things, but make sure you are not the last. You are like me, my child, and have paved the way for those who will follow you.
Yes, thank you so much, Miss Shirley.
You're so welcome, baby.